magluluto ako ng buttered prawn. Oops, don't burn it. Don't burn it. Slow fire. Slow fire. Ayaw niya mag-fry. Slow fire. Then, next is bawang. Next is bawang. And garlic. Then, slow lang. Don't be too excited. I try. Sarap ng aroma ng garlic. Then, next is chili. Or spicy. Spicy chili. Ito guys. Spicy. Tiger prawn. Let it cook for a while. Yan, the pungent of chili and garlic is together, mixed together. Then next is prawn. Yan. Masarap yan. It with salt, sugar, black pepper, and granuled seasoning. Huwagin lang mabuti. Spicy. The pancake is still spicy already. Ito ang Pinoy guys. Mahilig kumain, so dapat magluto. Haluin lang until it will become orange. Ang color niya. Haluin mabuti. Init dito sa Malaysia guys. Yan, almost cooked. Boring kasi guys. Kaya we need to do something. Lapit na siya maluto guys. Oh, the aroma is very alluring and very tempting to eat. Boring kasi sa Malaysia guys, kaya kailangan kumain, magluto, then kumain. Easiest cooking lang naman ito, buttered shrimp, spicy buttered shrimp. It's up to you if you want spicy or not. Basta ako, I love to eat spicy. Ayan, almost cooked, but I need to add this onion. Yan guys, ang pa-flavor. I don't have parsley, so I'll just put this onion. And this onion is high in collagen and it's good for our skin and body. So, ayan. Basta yun lang, simplihan lang ang buhay. Kumain ng tama, magluto ng easiest cooking para maging happy ang life. Diba guys? Ayan, ito na. Wow, the aroma is very nice. Ayan. Very, very nice, guys. Haluin pa. Haluin pa para ang onion na maluto ng konti. Ayan. The taste. Very yummy. Oh, it's time to eat. Serve hot. I will share this with my colleagues. Thank you for watching, guys. Oh, thank you. I love you all. Have a blessed day, everyone. Ito na yung finished product, guys. So, masarap siya, diba? Mas nakakatakam yung tsura niya. And it's very, very delicious. Ayan. Very easiest cooking lang, guys. So, time to eat. Thank you for watching, guys. Once again, thank you for all your support and love. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye.